kids, it's Wally the Washer from Dripping Springs, Texas. School's out and summer's here, which means lots of fun, but we also need to keep our home tidy. Today, I'm going to share some fun tips to keep your house clean all summer long. First, let's start by making a summer cleaning schedule. Pick a few chores to do each day so it doesn't feel like too much work. You can even make a colorful chart to keep track. Next, let's tidy up our rooms every morning. Make your bed, pick up any toys or clothes on the floor, and put everything back in its place. It's like starting your day with a clean slate. Now, let's help with the kitchen. After meals, make sure to clear the table, load the dishwasher, or help wash the dishes. Wiping down the counters can be fun too. Let's not forget the living room. Keep it cozy and clean by putting away books, games, and toys after you use them. A quick tidy up every evening keeps the space nice for everyone. Finally, let's do some fun outdoor chores. Help water the plants, sweep the porch, or tidy up the backyard after playing. Remember, keeping the house clean can be fun, and it gives you more time to enjoy your summer adventures. Great job, everyone! Keep it tidy, and see you next time on Wally's Adventures.